Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Today I got single swag. Yeah, it came in the mail today when I was gone. I had to go to the airport today. One of our poodles, little toy poodles, went off to Chicago and his daddy came and picked him up and we met him at the airport. So Rolo is now going to join his brothers, Franco and Milo. So they're one big happy family. The two, Franco and Milo, were out of the same litter, and then Rolo came in the second litter, and they loved the first two so much. Well, actually, they loved the first one so much that they got a second one out of that litter. And then they decided, hey, we want a black one. So they've got two apricot cream ones and one black one. Anyway, Rolo's on his way. While I was gone, the post lady dropped this off at my doorstep, and we're going to find out what's in it. This is the November single swag, and if you're not familiar with single swag, it is a lifestyle self-care book, #LoveYourself. It comes once a month, and it runs $39.99 unless you get a coupon, and you can get coupons up to 30, 40, and 50%. You just have to be on the lookout for them. I was lucky enough to get a 50% off, so I bought the whole year. So I get my box around $17, which is a great purchase. We're going to pop in here and see what they have sent us. This is a little sneak peek. That is their typical paper. They always have it wrapped in their black. This is our product card. It looks like we have a retail value of $204. And it says, put yourself first. Don't save the best for last. Relax, smile, and enjoy. This month's special surprise is just for you. So let's find out what kind of surprises we have. Now, I do try to go in the order of the little card here. And the first item I'm seeing is a Violet Harper product. It's a Morgan gold beaded bracelet and earring set. That's going to be in this box right here. It says it has a value of $54. Their values are high on their jewelry, so let's take a look at this $54 value and let's determine. It's a bracelet and earring set. Oh, it's very pretty. It's got like a knotted type closure for the bracelet, and then it's little gold studs. Let's see what it has to say. Morgan gold beaded bracelet and earrings. This smart sophisticated set includes gold plated and black beads on a dainty chain with an adjustable easy to use bolo clasp, plus round pounded gold pierced earrings. Wow. Well, that's very nice, and as you can see, it's very pretty. I think that's very cute. I don't know, like I said, that it's worth the $54. If it's truly gold plated, that is going to raise the value of it if it is gold plated, because you know the price of gold is high. So we have this earring and bracelet set. Our next item is from Daily Concepts, and it is, well, it says Daily Concepts, and it says it's $11 value, and it's a cleansing sponge. But I see this sponge, and it's called Relax. So I'm not sure if this is the same company. They may have done a substitute. This detoxifying sponge deeply cleanses the pores by drawing dirt, oil, and environmental toxins away from the skin. The soft, porous texture gently buffs away dead skin cells, bumps, and flakes for a smoother skin. And I mean, I don't have it open, but I can tell that it's kind of got a texture for that. So it's very likely that it does just what it says. So this is something different. I've not seen one like that. And like I said, it had $11 value. Our next item is a Veluta Gold. This is a grapefruit cassis cuticle cream, and that is right here. This is a big tube, guys, for a cuticle cream. Veluta, and it's a gold aura, and let's see what it has to say. It's a $22 value. It's a full size, I'm pretty sure of that. This lush moisturizing cuticle cream with antibacterial and moisturizing retaining properties will leave your skin feeling silky smooth and bursting with a vitality for the deep hydrating experience. Massage lotion into hands and to fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle area. It's like a cuticle cream and a hand cream. Our next item is a Kind bar. Oh goody, we get another treat. I've been enjoying these. We've gotten almond before. This time we got nut butter. It's a $2 value. And see, they value this just perfectly. This nut butter filled snack bar is packed with creamy real nut butter and topped with crunchy nuts and chocolate drizzle. Contains 100% whole grains and no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, making this a delicious and healthy snack that you can enjoy. I like that. Our next item is a So Susan. This is a Primordia Luminous Primer Gel. So, hey, that sounds interesting. And So Susan is a good brand. Let's see what it has to say. It is a $42 value, and it is an expensive product, so that might be the actual retail price of this. It says, the illuminating water-based primer is designed to have a soothing effect on your skin, diminish appearance of fine lines, and provide oil-free, seamless luminosity while extending the wear of your makeup. That sounds great. I want to take a look at this So Susan. I know a few of you subscribe to them. You know, they get a box. They have a beauty box. And this is what it looks like. It is sealed, so I'm not going to unseal it. But it is a primer. And it sounds very nice. And it sounds like something I'd want to try. You know, I just finished up my Becca, and it was an illuminating backlight primer, which I loved. And maybe this might go in its place for a little bit, and we'll try it out. So, all right, like that, $42. Our next item is a Bella Pierre cosmetic, and it is Ultra Glow. This has a $25 value. This is a Ultra Glow highlighting and bronzing palette. The ultimate cheek palette featuring 4 universal shades, 3 shimmery highlighters, and 1 velvety contour shade. Finely milled pigments are easily blended and can be mixed for the perfect glow day or night. So let's take a look at this. It's like in a little container. I like that baby blue color. That's really nice. And let's see what the ultimate glow. Ooh, it's got a mirror. And it's got a little protector sheet over it. So there we go. Aren't those pretty? Yeah. So you can see the 3 shimmers, and then you can see the bronzer there that is a matte. So that's very nice. I might actually want to try that out myself. Yeah, Bella Pierre, looking pretty good. And I love the packaging. I like that color of blue. And then the next item is Why You're So Awesome. Well, let's see why I'm so awesome. Why You're So Awesome. This here has a $10 value. Fill in the blank book. You truly are awesome, and don't ever forget it. Use this cute, delightful book to remind yourself how much you love yourself, and fill in one of the blanks with someone's name that you love. It's easy, it's fun, it's awesome. Like on day 20, it says, it's awesome how you're usually right about, and you write in somebody's name. So that's pretty neat. And then they've got a day, like on day 4, it says, you are awesomely talented at, and I guess you'd fill in the blank on what you think you're talented at, so you can remind yourself. So it's more of a remind yourself about your own talents. And you know, guys, we're all guilty of that. We may not really realize our talents. This might help you. It says, number 4, it's awesome how you keep getting better at, and what are you getting better at? And you write that down. So that's very interesting, kind of a self-awareness book. You fill in the blanks for yourself. All right, that's a $10 value. And our next and last item is Pivotal Cosmetics, and this is a facing cooling globes, and that is in here, and they're blue just like the box there. Let's see if I can get them out of here. I want to get one out anyways. See how it is? You would put this in the refrigerator, and then you'd roll this on your face for like a cooling effect. And I don't know if you can put them in the freezer or not. Some of them you can. This is a facial cooling globes. Soothe and massage the contours of your face and neck with this set of 2 ultra cooling facial globes that will take your skincare routine to the next level. Benefits include enhanced skin elasticity, reduced puffiness and dark circles, improved circulation, and prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. Place the glass globes in the freezer So you can put it in the freezer for 20 minutes and then prior to the application, and wash with antibacterial soap before and after each use. So you put this in the freezer for 20 minutes and they'll be really cold and you'll have that cold effect. So that sounds really nice. I like the size of these. There's 2 of them, so you can use 2 at the same time. And I'm going to put that back in the package. I don't want it to fall and break. But that is the Pivotal Globes, and it had a value of $38. So hey guys, what do y'all think about my single swag? I think they did pretty good again. And for $17, you bet your bottom dollars I got my money's worth. And even if you pay $39 for this box, you get your money's worth. Even if some of the stuff like the jewelry and maybe a couple items might have been a little overpriced. I don't know. I've bought these before and they do cost around $30 or $40. So that's not an unusual price for that. And then I know So Susan is around $42 for what we had. The only thing I can say is maybe if they have sales or something, you might could get it for $30. But most of these items that are in this box seem to be on target with price, except of course the jewelry. And even the hand lotion, I wouldn't spend $22. I might spend $11, $10 or something. But for the brand, if it's a really good brand and if it's vegan free and all that stuff, sometimes they do cost that much, you know, when you go to the store to buy them. So I don't know. I just think overall it's good. So as a recap, I've got my Pivotal Cooling Globes. We got the Veluda Hand Cream and Cuticle Cream all in one for your hands and fingers and cuticles. We got You Are Awesome book, so you can remind yourself of different things that you're doing good at and that you are getting better at. We got our primer from So Susan, which I'm looking forward to using. We got this really cute earrings and bracelet set. We got this very nice Bella Pierre Ultra Clo, and I'll show you one more time. Those are very nice colors. And we got our little snack kind bar, and we got this sponge, and this is from Relax. So I think this was a substitute. It says it deeply cleanses the pores, drawing out dirt. So I guess it is for your face. So that is my single swag. You tell me, what do you think? Did I get a good deal? I think I did. What's my favorite item in this box? My favorite item, I think, is going to be the Bella Pierre this time and the So Susan. These are my 2 favorites. I like the makeup this time around, and I do like the others, don't get me wrong, but I have some of the globes already, so I already know what that's all about. Mine are pink, those are blue, so now I've got pink and blue. Yoo-hoo! Alright guys, that's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have a favorite, be sure and let me know. Be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations and or giveaways that are currently going on. Oh, and my Advent Calendar series. Be sure and check that out. There's a giveaway with each one, and the winners will all be announced on December 1st, so be sure and be a part of that and have opportunity to win the overall curated by me Advent Calendar. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you on the next time around, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.